Hi everyone, my name is Esenia Alanis, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn in your work in Google Classroom. Hola, mi nombre es Esenia Alanis y en este video te voy a mostrar cómo entregar tu trabajo en Google Classroom. The first step is to go to google.com and make sure that you are logged in. You can switch accounts by clicking on the icon. El primer paso es ir a google.com y asegurarte que tú salgas aquí, que tú estés adentro. Si no estás adentro, lo puedes cambiar al presionar el círculo. Then we go to the App Launcher to open the Google Apps. Este es el que abre todos los apps de Google. Go to the Classroom app, abre el Classroom app, and then you will see your classes. Aquí vas a ver todas tus clases. Let's practice with math. Vamos a practicar con matemáticas. To see your work, you go to classwork. Para ver el trabajo vas a classwork. And then you scroll down to today, to the day that you're working on. Vas a buscar la fecha que estás haciendo. And then here it tells me who has turned it in. I'm able to see who turned it in. Aquí me dice quién lo ha entregado. But in order for you to work on it, you can open the file. Para que tú puedas trabajar, abre el documento. And the easiest thing would be for you to just look at the file here, but write down the answers on a sheet of paper. Lo más fácil sería abrir el documento en Google Classroom para poder ver las preguntas y escribir las respuestas en un papel, tomarle la foto. You can download it on your phone. You can download Google Classroom on your phone. Puedes descargar Google Classroom en tu teléfono, tomarle una foto a tu trabajo, take a picture of your work. You can also download Google Classroom on your tablet. También puedes descargar Google Classroom en tu tableta, and you can take a picture of your work y tomarle foto al trabajo and submit it that way. Those are the two easiest things. That's the easiest way to turn it in. Esa es la manera más fácil para entregarlo. You can also, if you have a home printer, print it out. También lo puedes imprimir si tienes una impresora en casa. And you can submit your paper work by taking a picture. Y puedes entregar el trabajo del papel impreso cuando ya escribes tus respuestas, le tomas una foto. Okay, so remember, you're going to go to first 6 weeks, week 1, student assignments. Vas a ir a donde están tus trabajos. And you are going to view the assignment. Vas a ver el trabajo. This is what will show up. There will already be an attachment here. Aquí ya va a haber algo. As you can see, I have a lot of attachments because I was working on examples. Yo tengo muchos porque yo estaba trabajando en ejemplos para mostrarle a alguien, to show students. But you will probably only have one depending on what your teacher assigns. So to be able to turn it in, you can add option 1, opción 1 para entregarlo, add the file of the picture, and you can look for that picture on your computer. Puedes buscar la foto en tu computadora si la tienes en tu computadora, or from your tablet or phone, o en tu tableta o teléfono. Option 2, add or create. You can create a Google Doc. When you create a Google Doc, it will automatically open and it will give you a name. It will give your document a name. So up here, you can see that it has the name already, and you can type in your answers. So number 1 is 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Puedes escribir tus respuestas and it automatically saves. So all you have to do is go back to the page where it's at in the classroom and it's right there. You can open it just to make sure. Ahí ya va a estar automáticamente se guarda. Lo puedes abrir para asegurarte de que ahí está tu trabajo. Si ya estás seguro de que ahí está tu trabajo, tus respuestas están listas, you press turn, le pones turn in, entregar. If you are sure that your answers are there, press turn in. And then I'm going to turn it in just to show you what it looks like. I have 7 attachments, but again, it's only because I was doing examples. Yo tengo 7 cosas, 7 documentos, pero es porque estaba haciendo ejemplos. If you accidentally turn in the wrong thing or you accidentally press turn in and then you remember that you forgot one question, you can press unsubmit and it will bring it back to you. Lo puedes desentregar para que lo puedas cambiar en caso de que tuviste un error. And you can delete some of these files because I have so many files. So then I'm going to show you an example of what I did. Te voy a mostrar un ejemplo for the third option. La tercera opción. It's a little bit harder because you have to open the file and then it gives you the option open with. You see how I already have something written right here? That's the way that I did it. La tercera opción tienes que ir aquí, abrir con Doc Hub. Yo ya tengo algo escrito aquí porque yo lo hice con Doc Hub. The very first time that you use Doc Hub, you have to press allow. La primera vez que usas Doc Hub, tienes que aceptar las reglas. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do your work using the tools. So up here you have these tools. Aquí arriba tienes estas herramientas para poder hacer tu trabajo. You have the to add text, where you can add text anywhere, you can move it around. Tienes la letra A, que es para escribir, y lo puedes mover para donde tú quieras. This question says count backwards. We also have a highlighting tool. La pregunta dice, and you can change the color. Le puedes cambiar el color también al marcador. La pregunta dice cuenta al revés. You can highlight the most important. Subrayar, puedes subrayar lo más importante para saber qué es lo que estás haciendo. And then we can use our writing tool y podemos usar la herramienta de escribir. So let's count backwards. 98, 96, and then you can drag and drop. 95, just like that. 94. And you can move this around with the little squares. Lo puedes mover en los cuadritos. Lo puedes tirar a la basura. You can delete it if you mess up. And then here you can change the font size to make it bigger or smaller depending on what you need. The other cool feature, the other cool tool is this one where you can change where it has this choose tool, you can change it to any of these tools. So then you can draw. For this one, it says 15 minus 7, and it says use the number line. So we have to count backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my answer is going to be 8. Para esta, puedes usar la herramienta de dibujar. And then that means that our answer is 8. La respuesta es 8 porque podemos dibujar para atrás. Cuando vamos restando, vamos para el lado opuesto. And then you use your text tool. Usas tu herramienta de escribir para escribir el número. Lo puedes hacer más grande. You can also make it bigger and drag and drop. Okay, whenever you are done answering the question. So remember, and then you also can use this little square to square information. You can use the circle, this one, you can use the circle to circle something important that you're working on. You can use the line to cross out if you're subtracting. Puedes usar el círculo si tienes que circular algo. Puedes usar la línea para cruzar algo. And you can also press undo if you mess up. Y lo puedes regresar si te equivocaste. Okay, now that we worked on our page, to turn it in, you have to press download to your computer. This is very important. Download it to your computer. Para entregar el trabajo, si ya terminaste, lo tienes que descargar a tu computadora. Your work will be right here. And then we go back to the classroom y regresamos al classroom. Go back to the assignment. Regresa al trabajo. Press add or create. Presiona en añadir. File. Porque ya está aquí. And remember, we have to upload. And we're going to upload it. Porque está en nuestra computadora. So we have to upload it. I'm going to show you the shortcut because I opened it. Como lo abrí por accidente, lo tuve que descargar otra vez para enseñarles la forma más rápida. You just drag and drop. Since I opened it, it didn't show the download right here. Normally here, see how it says show all? It shows your downloads and then you can just drag and drop, super easy. But if you open it like me, how I accidentally clicked on it, you can find it where it says browse. Si accidentalmente lo abres, le puedes poner browse. And then you can add a private comment if you have a question or a doubt so that your teacher can. Si tienes una pregunta o una duda, también puedes poner un comentario privado. That's how you turn in your work. So remember, there's 3 ways. You can write your answers on a sheet of paper and take a picture. You can create a Google Doc and type your answers. Or step 3, use Doc Hub. Open with Doc Hub. Hay 3 maneras de entregar el trabajo. Puedes tomarle la foto al papel, a tus respuestas en un papel y tomarles foto. Número 2, crear un Google Doc y escribir las preguntas, las respuestas en la computadora. Y opción 3, usar Doc Hub para escribir en el documento. And then make sure that you turn in your work. Thank you so much for watching this video. Muchas gracias por ver este video.